Are you itching to give your living space a fresh new look, but are you dreading the hassle of a full-blown renovation? Well, get ready to meet Facelift Home Renovation, your ticket to transforming your home on a budget and with less chaos. At JSB Home Solutions, we understand the desire for a home makeover without the stress. While we are not a facelift renovation company, facelift renovations are the best option for some home projects, and our seasoned team is adept at guiding you in the right direction for your project. Hi there, I'm Jeff Brown, owner of JSB Home Solutions, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through the world of home renovations. With over 46 years of experience in the Central Ohio remodeling industry, I've had the pleasure of helping countless homeowners transform their living spaces into the homes of their dreams. In this video, we'll explain what makes facelift home renovations different than other remodeling approaches. We will also cover the costs, timeline, advantages, and disadvantages of facelift renovation. Also, if you find this content helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump right in and explore the ins and outs of facelift renovations. So, what is facelift home renovation? A facelift renovation approach is all about refreshing your kitchen or bathroom with cosmetic changes and keeping construction to a minimum. Facelift companies usually call themselves over-existing, one-day or same-day remodelers. In a kitchen, facelift renovations could include updating cabinet hardware, replacing faucets, repainting or refacing kitchen cabinets, and updating lighting fixtures. Bathroom facelift projects might replace the toilet or sink, reglaze the tub or shower, or install a tub or shower overlay. Budget is always a concern when it comes to home projects. So how much does a facelift renovation cost? According to industry estimates, a small kitchen facelift can range from $12,000 to $22,000, while a bathroom facelift may cost between $5,000 to $15,000. Short on time, facelift renovations typically have the shortest project timelines. A kitchen facelift can be completed in just 3 to 5 days, while bathroom facelift companies advertise one-day or same-day projects. As you prepare for a home renovation, it will be important to consider the advantages and disadvantages of facelift renovation. Number 1, lower project cost. Facelift renovations often come with a lower price tag compared to full remodels, thanks to streamlined processes and materials selections. Number 2, short project timeline. With straightforward processes and simple installations, facelift projects can be completed in record time. Number 3, minimal effect on lifestyle. Say goodbye to weeks of construction. Facelift renovations mean disruption to your daily routine, but only for a handful of days at most, so you can get back to enjoying your space sooner. No method is without its downside, so consider these disadvantages of facelift home renovation. Number 1, potential for lesser quality work and products. While facelifts offer cost and time savings, they may sacrifice quality and longevity in the long run. Many times you will find yourself having to remodel again sooner than you would like, leaving you with higher expenses in the long run. At the beginning of this video, we mentioned that JSB is not a facelift renovation company. We do something that's between facelift and full custom projects called remove and replace remodeling. This remodeling approach gives you quality products and installation, usually without a huge increase in price. Number 2, limited customization and flexibility. By limiting their selections, facelift companies can purchase materials in bulk and keep them in stock. If you're looking for unique designs and materials, facelift renovations may not offer the flexibility you want. Number 3, little to no return on investment. While facelifts can improve your home's aesthetics, they may not significantly increase its value. You will basically be fixing, covering, or replacing materials that were already in your home. Other types of remodeling approaches, including JSB's remove and replace approach, offers an average of 60 to 80% return on investment. So, is facelift home renovation right for your project? It all comes down to your budget, timeline, and expectation. If you're looking for a quick and budget-friendly refresh, facelift renovation may be the answer you've been searching for. If you found this video helpful and think we could help you further with your home remodel project, check out our video on remove and replace remodeling, give us a call at the number on your screen, or visit our website to schedule your free in-home consultation. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the world of facelift home renovation. Remember, whether you're opting for a facelift or a full remodel, the key is to choose a partner you can trust who will advocate for your home remodeling vision.